Right here I have a big and powerful Bluetooth speaker from Tronsmart. This is the Bang Max model, so the biggest one I think they have. And what are the features of this Bluetooth speaker I will tell you soon, but let's start from unboxing this device. We have a charger. You can select what type of charger do you want to receive because of the different standard in different countries. Second thing, let's take out the speaker. The speaker is quite big. It weighs 6 kilograms. And also we have a package on the bottom. And in this package, here we have user manual. We have questions and answers right here. We have jack to jack cable and a warranty card. And here is the speaker. This is the speaker. It is huge, 6 kilograms of a speaker. And why it is better than other speakers? It has a power of 130 watts, so huge amount of power for a speaker. Many Bluetooth speakers are quieter than this. We can listen up to 24 hours on this speaker. If you set the volume on 50% and turn off the LEDs, if you will turn on the LEDs or use higher volume, you will get less than 24 hours. If you will listen on less volume than 50%, you will get even more time than 24 hours. And this speaker is waterproof IPX6. So if there will be a rain, it won't break. It should survive a rain without problem. So you can use it outdoors. You can also connect few Bluetooth speakers like this together. If you connect two speakers, you can set them in a stereo mode. So you have left and right channel. But also you can connect more speakers, over 100 speakers you can connect together even. And then in the mono mode, you can spread them on a higher area. Also on the back, we have ports right here. We have a USB output because we can use it as a power bank to charge our smartphone. We have a micro SD card slot, so you can play music from the micro SD. We have two audio inputs for a microphone and for an instrument like a guitar. So you can connect microphone, guitar and do your own karaoke on this device. And you can also control the volume of those devices. We have the charging DC input and we have also aux input. If you doesn't want to use the Bluetooth but you want to play from the jack. And it is protected by this big silicone protection, so the ports are safe right here. And there is also available mobile app because you can select different eco profiles. So let's turn on this device, connect to it and see if it is working. We are connected, so let's play a music if it is working. We can also turn on the lights by pressing this power button single time. And we have lights on the sides. And we can select few modes. We can turn on and turn off Sound Pulse EQ by pressing this button SP. And here we have Echo button. We can single press it 3 times to turn it off, turn Echo on Echo Max. And also we have buttons for stereo mode and connecting multiple devices together. And on the side we have battery indicator. And let's test the app for the speaker. Now I have the app installed, so let's continue. Let's select the Bang Max speaker. It found the speaker. This is the interface. We can see the battery level and controls on the main screen. Here we have music presets that we can select for the equalizer. And here in settings we can select the play mode. We can pairing mode and broadcast mode turn on. Control the lights, voice prompts, and there are other settings that are not available right now. And here we also have additional options too. Auto power off, update the speaker, disconnect, open the user manual in the app, or we can select other device. So easy interface to control the device the way that we want to. So what about the quality of the audio? This is the hardest part to tell on YouTube, because on the microphone you cannot hear clearly what is the quality. The quality is good. This is more of a premium speaker, not a budget one, so the quality is good. Loudness, it is also really loud. I didn't turn it up on the full volume because it is too loud for indoor usage on the maximum volume. But you can see the speaker is huge, it has big battery, it is really loud, it has good audio quality. You can connect many input sources for a karaoke or playing instruments or any other thing that you would like to. You can connect Bluetooth, you can connect micro SD card, jack input, you can charge your devices from this Bluetooth speaker. So it is a really good, powerful, huge Bluetooth speaker. If it is not enough for you, you can connect few speakers like this if you would like to play the music on even bigger area. I can recommend this speaker for you. It is good, it has good app with a good interface. The quality and volume is also good. I think it is perfect for parties. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.